Mark, wake up! Ugh.
What happened?
It's 8:30.
8:30?
Yes, we are late.
Didn't your alarm ring?
No, my phone died during the night.
Did you charge it?
I forgot.
You always forget to charge your phone.
Not always.
Almost always.
Okay, maybe you're right.
What do we need to do today?
We need to make breakfast, record a video, buy groceries, and walk Kekemu.
That sounds like a busy day.
Then we should get up now.
Good idea. I'm opening the curtains.
It's a beautiful morning.
The sun is shining.
And Kekemu is already awake.
Of course he is. He wants his breakfast.
Good morning, Kekemu.
I'll give him some food.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm making the bed.
Do you make the bed every morning?
Usually.
Usually?
Okay, sometimes.
That sounds more honest.
Very funny.
I'm going to wash my face.
Don't take too long,
Why?
because I need the bathroom too.
I'll be quick.
Mark, can you help me make breakfast?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you cut the bread?
Yes. Where is it?
It's next to the fruit bowl.
I see it.
I'll make the eggs.
Do we have any cheese?
Let me check. No, we're out of cheese.
Then we need to add it to the shopping list.
Good idea.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. I really need coffee this morning.
1 cup or 2?
2.
2 cups?
It's a busy day.
Fair enough.
Is the toast ready?
Almost.
Be careful, don't burn it.
I never burn toast.
Mark, it's smoking.
Oh no!
Open the window.
I'm opening it now.
This is not a perfect morning.
Perfect mornings are boring.
Real English.
That was a useful sentence.
Which sentence?
Can you help me make breakfast?
Let's say it slowly. Can you help me make breakfast?
Now say it naturally.
Can you help me make breakfast?
One more useful sentence. We're out of cheese.
We're out of cheese.
That means we have no cheese left.
You can change the last word. We're out of milk.
We're out of coffee.
Please don't say that.
What time do we start work?
We normally start at 9.
And what time is it now?
9:15.
We're only 15 minutes late.
That's not too bad.
What are we recording today?
A daily English conversation.
Do we have the script?
Yes, it's on the table.
And where is the microphone cable?
Isn't it next to the microphone?
No, it isn't there.
Check under the notebook.
It's not there either.
Maybe it's inside the drawer.
I found it.
Where was it?
It was behind your coffee cup.
Of course it was.
Are you ready to record?
Almost.
What do you need?
I need my headphones.
They're on your head.
Oh,
It's going to be a long day.
are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
What do you do in the morning?
I make breakfast and drink coffee.
What do you do after breakfast?
I start work.
Do you work alone?
No, I work with Mark.
And Kekemu?
Kekemu sleeps while we work.
He has the easiest job.
His job is to be cute.
He is very good at it.
Wait,
What's wrong?
I said the wrong sentence.
That's okay. Try again.
I'm nervous.
Take a breath.
Okay,
You don't need to be perfect.
I just need to keep speaking.
Exactly.
Let's continue.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Should we take a break?
Yes, we have been working all morning.
What do you want for lunch?
Something quick.
How about sandwiches?
That sounds good.
Do we have tomatoes?
We have 1 tomato.
Do we have lettuce?
No, we're out of lettuce.
And we're out of cheese.
These will be very simple sandwiches.
Bread and tomato?
That's not enough.
We can add eggs.
Good idea.
After lunch, we need to go shopping.
I'll make a list.
Please don't forget the list this time.
I won't forget it. Now it's your turn.
Answer the questions out loud.
What time do you usually wake up?
You can say,
I usually wake up at...
what do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat...
What time do you start work or school?
I start at...
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have...
Great job. Do you have the shopping list?
Yes, it's in my pocket.
Are you sure?
Let me check. Yes, I have it.
What do we need?
Cheese, milk, lettuce, tomatoes, and dog food.
We also need coffee.
We have coffee at home.
We only have a little.
Then add coffee to the list.
Should we take Kekemu with us?
Yes, he needs a walk.
The store is only 10 minutes away.
Let's walk there.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's warm but not too hot.
Kekemu looks happy.
He loves afternoon walks. We're home.
I'll put the groceries away.
I'll give Kekemu some water.
Where should I put the milk?
Put it in the fridge, please.
And the coffee?
Put it in the cupboard.
Where is the cheese?
It's in the shopping bag.
I can't see it.
Check the other bag.
It's not there.
Did we forget the cheese?
I think so.
That was the first thing on the list.
At least we bought coffee.
That doesn't help our sandwiches.
We can buy cheese tomorrow.
Fine.
But you're making dinner tonight.
Deal.
Dinner's ready.
It smells good.
I made pasta with tomatoes.
Is there any cheese?
Very funny.
The pasta looks delicious.
Thank you.
What should we do after dinner?
We need to wash the dishes.
I washed them yesterday.
Then I'll wash them tonight.
Thank you.
After that, we can watch a film.
That sounds relaxing.
What kind of film do you want to watch?
Something funny.
A comedy?
Yes. I don't want anything scary.
Why not?
Because I want to sleep tonight. Today was busy.
Yes, but it was a good day.
We woke up late.
We burned the toast.
We lost the microphone cable.
And we forgot the cheese.
But we finished our work,
We walked Kekemu,
and you made a delicious dinner.
so it wasn't a bad day.
No, it was just a real day.
Real days are not perfect.
And your English doesn't need to be perfect either.
You only need to keep practicing. Now tell us about your day.
Complete these sentences. I usually wake up at.
For breakfast, I usually eat.
During the day, I.
In the evening, I.
Before I go to bed, I.
Excellent.
Write one sentence about your day in the comments.
For example,
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
or
I take a walk in the evening. Great job today.
you listened to a full daily English conversation
Listen to the conversation again.
and try to speak with us.
Don't translate every sentence in your head.
Listen, understand, and answer.
If this lesson helped you, tap like and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Good night, Mark.
Good night, Jessica.
Good night, Kekemu.
He's already asleep.
Lucky Kekemu.
Bye-bye.